Let's understand this problem. Here it is given that 3 boys and 3 girls are to be seated around a table in a circle. So I will draw this one. So there are 3 boys. So I will write 1, 2 and 3. And there are 3 girls. So I will write 1, 2 and 3. Now it is given that among that X boys does not want any girl. So if I can see the name of this one, this boy doesn't want any girl. So anything that can't be seated here. And there's a Y girl that is given here that can't be seated with any boys, which means that this is the only option that we are having, and this is the only option that we are having. And because we don't have to arrange these two, because this one will be the exact position that we can take, which means that there are total number of 2 positions that we can take. Okay, and there are total 2 positions that we can take from here. First position is this one and the second position is this one for both of these conditions. So we will say that is equal to 2 multiplied with 2, which is equal to 4. So the total number of 4 arrangements that we can do whenever we are having distinct arrangement, that is possible here.